Rightio, we are progressing through our skills in Revit. Today we're going to look at placing doors into our file. So we're going to pick up where we've left off. We're going to open up the door file, and don't forget that that is wherever you saved your downloaded files. So if I go into, for me, it's in my OneDrive, 2023, Sustainable Design, Revit, and there should be one in here called Doors. There we go, place doors. Open that up, and probably need to do an upgrade, so sit there and twiddle your thumbs for a sec while it does that. What we're going to have to do is we're going to import some doors later on as well, so we're going to load some door families into our files as well, and we'll do some things like that. So objectives for this is to be able to load those families, change door types, place doors in the model, and using the spacebar to swing the door around before we do that. Okay, once we've got our file open, we're going to click on the Insert tab. Okay, and then once we're in there, we're going to go from this is our load from library panel on the end here, and we're going to go load family. And then you are going to navigate to where you had your same files before, where you just open it. So back to wherever you saved that folder. And GSR Revit, open up. Okay, and we've got some families there. Now, we've also got some, if I go to the list view, we've got some doors and we've also got some windows. Windows is the next tutorial that we're going to do, so you could either import them now or you can import them when you do the other one. Up to you. Fix one half dozen the other. So we're just going to go with the door ones. So we need, as per the instructions, the door exterior, the overhead, and I'm just holding down the shift key, the passage doors, and that is it. There should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to go open. And it's going to update those, and it's going to import those files into our libraries. Once we've done all that, we're going to whiz back to the Architecture tab. And in the Build panel, we're going to select Door. So this is our Build panel, don't forget, select Door. Once we're in there, we can then, in the Type selector, which is over here in our Properties, I think, we can verify that M-door passage double flush, double acting is what we got. So we've got M-door passage, double acting, flush is active. We want to select that. And you can see that we've got different doors there, so we just want the top one there. We're going to place a door at the entrance to the storeroom. Now, the storeroom, we need to go into our floor panel to see what we're doing here. So let's go into the store floor. Okay, zoom it in a bit. And we're putting this doorway there. Okay, so it's gone out, so I'm just going to quickly go back into there again. There's our door. We are going to pop this door here. Okay, so we're going to pop that there. And there is our door. Okay, in the type selector, select the M-door exterior double. So if we go back to that, we should have exterior double door. So select the size that is there. And this one here, we're going to place 2 doors in the lower exterior walls. They are sitting one over here. And we're going to click that like that. And then we've got one that's going on this wall here. And we'll pop him in there. Just like that. Okay, we're going to keep working through this. So we're going to go back to our door. This time we're going to select this, and we're going to go to passage single flush. There's our 900 over 200. And put those ones, oops. And if we move this up. Okay, we're going to zoom in on this area here. We're going to put one there. Now, one over here, and I'll show you what we can do in a sec. We've got one there, one there, and one there, and one there. Okay, so before we go any further, we're going to quickly make sure that we can rotate this. So if I select the door, we have these little arrows here, and we can tab those to make it open either internally or externally, and then open either the left to the right. So then what you want to do is to tab those around so that the doors then orientate in the manner that we have them there. The other thing is when you go to place your door, if I go back onto that, just to sort of show you, and we get that door. Oops. Why is that not showing up? So if I go to the door, and I want to put a, there we go. Before you can place the door, if you press on your space bar, you can toggle that between the opening to the left and the right using the space bar before you actually select and place the door in there. So you can also do it before you place, but if you've placed it, you can use those little toggle keys to do it afterwards. Okay, so where do we get to? So we've got all the doors, make sure that they're all hanging in the direction that they are and the swing direction is correct. We are going to now go choose the type selector. We want to go back into here and we want to look for M door overhead. So it should be a door equal overhead sectional. I think it's this one here. And we are going to put that on this wall. It's down the back, external wall, next to this one up here. We'll leave about a metre of space, and then we're putting a door there. Okay, that is it. That's as simple as it is for doors. If you look at it in 3D, just to give you a quick quiz. We can't see internally. Let's spin this around. And if we zoom in a bit, oops, I'll just get out of this door command that I'm in. You can see that there is our door there. It's actually facing in. We could probably go, I wonder if we can flip that. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. We can flip it around so it faces this way or the other way. So it should be able to do that. I'll select that again. How does that look? There we go. So we've got a door like that. We've got a double door there. Remembering that, and our single door, double door on the other side, and then our other doors are on the internal space there. So we've done our doors are there. And that's pretty much it. We'll jump out of this one and we're going to open another one in a second for placing windows. So see you in the next video.